Hey guys, today we are going to see how to change lips color in just 1 minute. If you want to follow along with this video, you can download the project file, its link is in the video's description below. First, we have to make a selection on the lips. You can use any selection method you like. I am using the pen tool for this project. After your selection is completed, click on the adjustment layer icon and shows the solid color, and pick a color for this lip. Then you have to just change the blend mode and play around with the opacity. You will be good to go. Here is 3 blend mode which works best for lips coloring. Multiplay, hue, and soft light.